The reverse IP domain checker tool can perform a reverse lookup of an IP address to help you determine which domains are associated with it. If a website has a dynamic IP address, which is the case for most websites, the IP address is known to the website owner. IP addresses are shared, so they don't know who else has access to the same IP address as them. It's necessary to use a reverse IP search utility in order to find out which other websites are using the same IP address as yours. Find out domains associated with IP? Go to https://toolspliss.com/reverse IP domain checker. The URL you want to check for should be entered in the text box provided. It will display a list of domains that share the same IP address. Please like, share and subscribe. Turn the notification on to get updates on more useful tools for your online journey.